Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to resolve if you are having issue with mouse right click keeps loading forever in Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer guys. Let's fix that problem guys. For that, go to search menu and type registry editor. Right click on it. Select run as administrator. Select as. This will definitely work 100% guys. You just need to follow it. Go to H key classes root. H key classes root and go to directory. Search for directory. Expand the directory and expand the background and expand the cell x ex and context menu handler. Just want to click on it and I will show you guys the file path is in here. I will zoom in my video. Just want to expand the context menu handlers and after that just want to delete these folders guys. Leave the new and work folders and you just want to delete other folders guys. Leave this both folders and delete whatever folder you have in your computer. Want to delete it, select delete and yes, and sharing delete it. We just want to not delete these two folders guys, except this you want to delete all folders in your computer and go back, close out of here and restart our PC guys. It will definitely work guys. Changes take effect, we are just restarted. And that's it for today's video guys. I hope this tutorial definitely helpful guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.